exploring the delectable flavors of Russia, a culinary journey. Greetings, fellow food enthusiasts. Welcome back to Kitchen and Beauty Clinic, where we not only indulge in delightful recipes but also explore the cultural richness of various cuisines. Today, we are embarking on a culinary journey to the heart of Russia, a land known for its diverse and flavorful dishes that have stood the test of time. Join me as we dive into the delicious foods of Russia. 1. Borscht Vibrant Beet Soup. Our journey begins with a classic Russian dish, borscht. This vibrant beet soup is a true embodiment of Russian flavors. Packed with earthy beets, cabbage, potatoes, and tender chunks of beef, borscht offers a harmonious blend of textures and tastes. Its vibrant color and rich aroma make it a feast for both the eyes and the palate. A dollop of sour cream adds a creamy contrast, making this soup a true delight. 2. Pelmeni delicate dumplings. Now, let's savor another Russian favorite, pelmeni. These bite-sized dumplings are a culinary masterpiece. Made from a simple dough and filled with a mix of minced meats, pelmeni showcase the art of Russian comfort food. Traditionally served with a sprinkle of dill and a dollop of butter, these dumplings are a true embodiment of coziness and warmth. 3. Blini thin pancakes. No exploration of Russian cuisine is complete without tasting blini. These delicate, paper-thin pancakes are versatile wonders. Whether served with sweet toppings like jam, honey, or fresh berries, or with savory fillings like smoked salmon and sour cream, blini offer a harmonious blend of flavors that will leave your taste buds dancing. 4. Beef stroganoff creamy elegance. Now, let's indulge in a dish that exudes elegance and flavor, beef stroganoff. Tender strips of beef, sauteed mushrooms, and onions are enveloped in a luscious sour cream sauce. This dish is a true masterpiece, a symphony of creamy textures and hearty flavors that will transport you straight to the heart of Russian culinary heritage. 5. Medovik honey layer. Our culinary journey through Russia wouldn't be complete without a sweet note. Meet medovik, the honey layer cake that has been winning hearts for generations. Delicate layers of honey-infused cake are sandwiched together with a creamy sour cream frosting. Each bite is a celebration of sweetness and history. Conclusion. And there you have it, a glimpse into the delectable foods that Russia has to offer. From the comforting warmth of borscht to the delicate elegance of medovik, Russian cuisine is truly a treasure trove of flavors. I hope you enjoyed this culinary journey with us on Kitchen and Beauty Clinic. If you're as intrigued as I am, don't hesitate to try these recipes and experience the richness of Russia in your own kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking!